Hello everyone, welcome to Code2 channel. In this tutorial, we will start with a new topic which is known as Turtle. Okay, so Turtle is basically a Python library which helps you to draw different shapes and picture. So here, the three main commands are this one, import turtle, and then we have to create the object of the turtle and then done. Okay, so step by step I'll explain you all this syntax, and in the consecutive tutorials I will cover more and more syntax for turtle. So this Python library is basically means it's a fun way to learn Python, because you can create different charts, as well as you can create shapes and pictures. So it's a fun way to learn Python language. Now first of all, to explain you the basics of this, like how this works, I'll just execute these three lines and I'll show you the canvas, and then on that canvas how the picture is drawn. We will learn it step by step. Okay, so first step is import the turtle. This is the package which you need to import. Second step is create the object for this turtle. Okay, to create the object, the command is turtle dot and this function turtle. Okay, so this you have to write to create the object for that particular turtle. The next thing is turtle dot done to close everything. Okay, so now we will execute this, and here is the output. So as you can see, this turtle library helps us to draw pictures and diagram on a virtual canvas. So basically this is a virtual canvas, or you can call it as a drawing board, where you can give the title to this drawing board. Then you can change the color of the screen. And why it is called as turtle, this rectangular shape, this thing indicates the turtle, or it is known as a pen. Like it's like a pen which you can with the help of this pen you can create the shapes and diagram. Okay, so this is the basic of it. So these three lines you have to remember: import turtle, create the object, and done. Now we will draw something on this canvas, but before that I want to explain you the maths behind it, like what this canvas is actually. So this is x and y coordinate system. This thing we have learnt in schools. So canvas is based on this coordinate system itself, like based on the turtle is at 0th position, and whatever the commands we give to that turtle, it will create a diagram. Coming back to the code, now we will use some syntax related to turtle. So turtle dot width, what it will do, it will increase the width of the line, so 4. The next thing is turtle dot forward, will take the cursor forward. Turtle dot color will change the color of that particular line, whatever we will draw, and then it will again we will turn the cursor towards left and then backward. So all these steps we will execute one by one. Okay, so the first step is we want the line should be like big, broad. So I'll execute this. Okay, so see here what we have done, we have drawn a line which is of width 4. The next thing is I want to change the color of the turtle to red, and then I want to turn the direction of the turtle to 90 degrees. Then I want to create one more line backward which is 100. Okay, so this is what I want to perform. So let's execute this one more time, and here is the output. Okay, so this is how we have done these things. Like we have drawn the black line and red line. Turtle dot left and turtle dot right are used to change the direction of the turtle clockwise, and forward and backward, these things are used to actually create the lines, like forward line, backward line, that kind. Okay, now we will take one more interesting example, and we will see like what output we get. So in this diagram we are going to create a star, and then at each and every edge of the star we are going to create a circle, basically a small design we will create. Now we can also change the color of the screen. Okay, like currently we are getting white color screen. Okay, so we can also get different color screen like yellow, green, blue, etc. So the first thing is sc is equal to turtle dot get screen. So this will create the object for screen. Like if you want to perform anything related to screen, then create an object for it. Then we can also set the size of the screen to 600, 600. So it will create a screen of 600 size. Then I am going to set the color BG color to yellow, and then I am going to create the object for turtle. Okay, so this is important step, like create the object for turtle, and I have stored that object in a variable. Okay, so now here is the loop which will perform some operation. Loop means what? This thing will be done at for 6 times, right? 0 to 6. So these operations will perform 6 times. So what will happen? We will change the color to blue, like whatever operations will perform for that object, the color of that diagram will be blue. Then we will move it towards right, and then forward 100. Then we will again change the color to red, and then we will draw a circle. So don't worry, like with you just need to play with these command, and you will easily understand like what is happening. So this example I'm just covering. You can use this example, and you can add more things to it, and yeah. So I'll execute this now. Okay, come now. So here is the output. So basically what we are doing, we are drawing a star, and at each and every edge of the star we are drawing a circle. Okay, so this type of interesting shapes and figures you can draw with the help of Python turtle graphics. Okay, in the consecutive videos I will share more syntax, and the only thing is like you have to like try different syntax, and you will be able to draw different diagrams with the help of this turtle. So thank you guys for watching this videos. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.